Doc here with another video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the little short video. I'm gonna start doing that before I post a real video, kind of give you what we're gonna be covering. As the title says, I'm gonna be talking about Swift Transportation's upgrade program, I guess you could call it, upgrade process. There we go. So Swift Transportation upgrade process. So you get on your mentor's truck, you do your 200 hours, you get back to the terminal, you're gonna upgrade at, so you get there. First thing that you're gonna do, you're gonna wanna make sure that you have hours on your drive clock. Make sure that you have hours on your drive clock because you're gonna be driving. So first thing you're gonna do, your mentor or one of the safety coordinators or one of the testers is going to take you out for a road test. It's a predetermined route, through the city. Just make sure you have the basic knowledge of how to operate the vehicle, through the city, on the highway, stuff like that. So the road test is first. You pass the road test, you're gonna come back to the yard where you're gonna do a backing test. It's gonna be a simple, 40 degree alley dock in between two trailers. So if you've been practicing your backing, you should have no problem with that either. Then after you pass that, you go into the building. It might be a driver qualification building, driver's lounge, whatever it is. You're gonna go ahead and you're gonna do a 50 question multiple choice test. Basically what this test is gonna cover trip planning. It's going to cover your macros, and then other little odds and ends that you need to know. So that's basically, you pass that. After you pass that, you have the choice to either, one, get into your truck immediately and start running, or you could take a couple days off for your home time. You've been on your mentor's truck, you probably haven't had home time in about 4 weeks, so you might want to get some home time. Get some stuff together, go grocery shopping if you have a fridge in the truck, whatever, and be ready for your truck. Now, they're not gonna, most terminals aren't going to offer that to you, but that is an option for you because, as you know, with Swift Transportation, you get 1 day home time for every 7 days that you're out. So if you're out 4 weeks, you get 4 days of home time. I highly suggest that you take the home time so you can kind of reset, get back into the mode of running. You just took your test, you want to get stuff on your truck, you want to set your truck up. So once you get assigned a truck, you're good to go. They're gonna give you some loads, give you a load, you start running solo. So that's when you start making your cent per mile, all that good stuff. So that is the Swift Transportation upgrade process. Short, simple, straight to the point. It's not hard. The multiple choice question is not hard if you've been paying attention to what your mentor's teaching you, just paying attention to your driving in general. All of it's not hard. So once you pass, you get upgraded, you're now a solo driver. So that's all that I really have for you guys. This was a request video from somebody that commented on it, wanted to know what the process was, so I go ahead and put that out there for you guys. That is the process. So it's a road test, backing test, and a 50 question multiple choice test. That's all. Again, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Definitely do want to thank you guys for rocking with me.